So, bali tapos yung exercise, meron na kayo kahapon, di ba? Okay. So, bali ito yung exercise 2. So, and assist passengers route and the master navigation station. So, duration natin is 2 hours. So, siguro mga 15 minutes. And confidence, so assist passengers in route. So, master and navigation station. So, di ba lahat tayo pupunta doon after ng alert ni Kapitan, public address, o code message, o alert. So, everybody proceed to yung master station. Then, giving here, restoring content, notification, managing passengers in corridor, staircase, and passageway. So, medyo sinunod ko na ito guys, kasi pagka pinanpas. Methods available in evacuation of persons and disability persons. Kaya meron tayo sasakay sa wheelchair. And methods of searching passengers in accommodation in public space. Kaya meron na assign missing person. No? Bukod yung PWD.
Attention all crew, attention all crew. This is your captain speaking. This is an emergency. Please proceed to your master station, please.
Pag nag-receive mo yung ma'am na may lumaki siyang probe, tatawagan ka agad. Captain, this is manager. Reporting that we found out that one person is missing. Hindi man po na. Diretso. Kasi ganyan mo kasama. Pag-ibig si Sir. Bali, hindi ka kasama dito kasi nasa bracelet. Kasi, pagdalang tayo sa lahat po. Safety. Isang ulitan mo ko dyan. Ako dito. Pag gagawin natin. Hindi yung experience na hindi na gagawin natin. Parang hindi tayo maligaw pag nasa pagkawin. Safety. Magkakan lang po kayo na.
Okay, all crew, head count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 8, 9. That's number 9.
Kami, this is second officer. Lifeboat number 13. Lifeboat number 13. All master. Tapos, ang talis mo lang.
Bali na gawin niyo guys, lahat na may mga units, pagka-alarm ni Kapitan, and then pag sinabi niyo everybody proceed to lifeboat station, then once nasa lifeboat station na kayo, kanya-kanya na kayo mag-report. Huwag na kayo maghintay na tawagin ng Kapitan kung sino mag-report. So lahat ng mga position, just report to the captain na you are really mastered, and we are na standby to wait for your further instruction. So bato-bato lang yan, tapos yung mga so after nun, lowering lifeboat, huwag na naman ang ating commander, and may paano. Kasi wala ko naman mga ito ang election. Go. Okay.
Attention all crew, attention all crew. This is your captain speaking. This is your captain speaking. This is an emergency. Please proceed to your master station, please. Thank you so much.
Eh, marin yun. Saan yun? Marin yun. Final one,
All group mastering head count now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7. 8 is the last number.
Captain. Line po, number 13, Ready Master.
Okay, this is your captain. Line vote 13 master. Take two.
Wag na, wag na.
Dali po na para sa
Attention all passenger, attention all passenger. Please proceed to your master station. Thank you.
One person is missing. Captain, this is the manager. Okay na. We have one person missing. Hold on. We have one person missing.
Nice. Nice.
Copy. I will just send some medical team to find the missing person.
Kaya ka pala tulog.
Passenger net assistance.
May pinapili na.
Lost girl.
Dalawa. Isa na lang tayo.
Boyfriend mo.
Normal lang kami, sir.
Ilocate mo mother child.
Nasisa.
Okay na. Di ba dalawa si Lollipop? Dalawa. Tingnan lang po natin si passenger ng dalawa din. Meron. Balik dito kayo o wala? Magiging tig-apat.
Otang siya ang lost.
Tapos po, second officer, nalapitan mo itong dalawa na to kasi tatanong mo sila kung master ba sila. Yung papasok yung case na may nakawala na.
Pero nakaya.
Nakabis tayo. Ganun sir. Head count yung grupo mo, head count yung grupo mo. Kung kanino yung missing person, yun yung i-report dito kay manager. Siya. Tapos manager naman po yung lalapit kay second officer. Para inform tapos second officer, magkakanta sir. Tapos kayo, okay, one person is missing. Magkakanta kayo, I will request for traffic searching team find the missing person. Tapos yung si ma'am,
Ano pala siya?
silang, anong,
Yan sa medical team na.
So, kayo na sa
Passenger na
medical?
lang ako.
Okay.
and then application, tamang application sa bago.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Captain.
Yung tilo ang nagpanik.
Magpanik ka ba? Magpapanik tayo lahat.
Pag sa mga one person.
Okay, I will score our
Para ka naman yun guys, lahat na may mga Q&As, pagka-alarm ni Kapitan, and then pag sinabi niyo everybody proceed to limestone station, then once nasa limestone station na kayo, kanya-kanya na kayo mag-report. Huwag na kayo maghintay na tawagin ni Kapitan kung sino mag-report. So lahat ng mga position, just report to the captain na you are really mastered and we are na standby to wait for your further instruction. So Bato-bato lang yan. So, after nun, lowering live vote, kunan na naman ang ating commander, and in charge, and second officer. And masyado din si pwede pa na. Nasiguro ko naman kung ano yung presentation. Go. Okay.
Alert, alert, this is your captain. Please proceed to the live vote station. Thank you.
Alert.
Kasi masama.
Tamo, we are alert.
Master na.
Hindi ba? Okay.
Okay.
Attention all crew, attention all crew. This is your captain speaking. This is your captain speaking. This is an emergency. Please proceed to your master station, please. Thank you so much.
Eh, marinig yung salita, marinig nyo.
All crew master, get count now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7. 8 is the number.
Okay, Captain. I go number 13, Rising Master.
Okay, this is your captain. Live vote 13 master.
Huwag na, huwag na.
Alam mo na, para sa
Attention all passenger, attention all passenger. Please proceed to your master station. Thank you.
One person is missing. Captain, this is the manager.
Okay na ba?
One person missing. Hold on. We have one person missing.
Nice. Nice.
Copy. I will just send some medical team to find the missing person.
Searching.
Matakot ka muna.
Dali ka na, ano? We lost her. Lost baby girl.
pagkalugan mo sa bago niya minakakas.
Dito ka, dito ka. Hindi ka. Wala ako.
Final sheet. Medical team after.
Medical team is speaking. We have found the missing person. Okay, thank you. Let's move on.
Alert. Milawin.
Hindi naman lahat may laway. Ano ba ako? Inimitin. Marunong naman ano.
Attention all crew, this is your captain speaking. Please proceed to your abandoned
Abandon position.
ship position. Thank you.
Ako na lang ang
Ay, sir, pinabayaan na yung ano.
Ilang banding na kayo? Banding lang.
Kung sila mo yun, pa yung nag-aas. Kasi yung strap. O, hindi ko dapat
Yung mga CCTV naman dyan. Yan, gano'n. Tawag ka na. Ayaw. Yung may ano lang, yung audio natin.
Kasi nasa labas na
Kakapipas kapitan.
Kasi pretend natin na si Kapitan ay nasa video.
Oh.
Okay, this is second chapter. This is to remind you that embarkation ladder is already installed.
Okay, this is your captain coming. Start embarkation. Okay, coming. Okay, both commander.
Diyan na kayo umupo sa embarkation deck.
We
Embarkation
can
na yan.
start the embarkation.
Okay, Captain, this is good. Commander, start embarkation. Okay, tapos na lang po. Okay, Captain, we will start embarking passenger. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, Captain, all passengers is already embarked.
Captain.
Please, ang gano'n na kami doon. Sabihin na, ito ay passenger ang nagkikipsin, already embarked. Kasi gawin mo doon. Hindi ko. Response po sa all okay, both about commander or passengers. Ito bidadaan nila sa
It's already embarked. No? Okay, so thank you. Angel person.
Kamay lang yung naisip. Tayo kita. Dapat daw. Yay! Yung meron pa po.